Walking through an ancient woodland is like walking amongst an ancient wisdom. Listen to it. Learn from it. When the tide is low on the rocky shore, it leaves many creatures exposed to an environment unlike the one they depend on for survival. But yet, many have evolved other ways to survive during this time, such as the ability to retain water. The bee-let anemone retracts in its tentacles and stores water inside its body, or the periwinkle stores water within its mantle. They face these harsher conditions. They adapt. Situations or times in your life may differ or change in a way far from what you would like or have hoped for. But one of the many things the natural world can teach us is that the bad or difficult times will not last forever. At some point, a bad situation or circumstance will be replaced by a good one. To me, nature really is hope. It's living, it's breathing, it's feeling. Sometimes we spend so much time trying to find a meaning or a reason for things, the big unanswered questions of life. But maybe that meaning is right in front of us. The way nature always keeps on going. The smallest of beings can play some of the most important roles in an ecosystem or make the longest journey. Nature is intricate, it's beautifully complex. All living things are connected in some way. It's a place you can go to heal, and to me it's just a place that feels like home. Nature needs our help more than ever. Be present with it. Respect it. Never lose that sense of wonder for the natural world. Just like that innate appreciation for wildlife you can see in the eyes of a child. We really all can do our part to protect nature. Nature heals. Nature is hope.